So we just got another morning miles session in the books. I definitely think it's going to be a thing because I feel great right now. And this is the end of my week, so no better way to finish off strong with another edition of a beautiful run this morning. Yeah, like I feel great and my energy is just spiked. I woke up not thinking about this session, but like something just itched me into like, yo, go, you know, just do it. And just finished meditating and then just strapped on my sneakers, my favorite little hoodie, and got it done. Right now, just cooling, looking at this beautiful view of the pond as per usual. And yeah, you know the drill, get that shaking, right? Let's get it. So I pulled up 2 Pats flag football game to just show some support and see what this league look like. Got the fam over here and yeah, it looks pretty cool, man. It looks official because these guys are running full plays right now. So we'll see how much yards Pat is gonna put up on the field today. Before the game is over, I'll keep you posted on if they won or not. Now we're going to have some lunch. Right. So this time we are back on the field, but it's not my workout. All right, I am training my most valuable client, my wife, and we got her doing suicides today. All right, powering through though. She's powering through. All right, she's hopping on the Move More challenge reluctantly, but I got her back though. So there's a soccer game behind me and the parents on the sideline, they're pretty intense. So I'm just like staring into my future right now when my kid takes the field, all right? The coach is gonna be hearing a lot from me, you know what I'm saying? Throw him the ball.
Good job. Good job.
Yay. Push it. So I just want to end this video here with this final note, all right? When you are doing the Move More challenge, just immerse yourself in the process, all right? Move more today than you did yesterday. It is as simple as that, all right? Move more today than you did yesterday, even if it's just one more step, one more mile, whatever it is, all right? Just push yourself a little bit harder and your results will come, all right? Boom.